Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Goans from all over the world contributed to this marvelous celebration to bring Goans together, united as one, no matter what part of the world we are scattered.
पॅन्डेमिकाक लागून कोणाकूच सोंपेपणी एकठांय जावंक मेळलें ना. तेन्ना ग्लोबल गोवन एलायन्स नेटवर्क हांणी चिंतलें की एक वर्च्युअल सेलिब्रेशन करून हाडूं येवचें. सुमार 1000 गोंयकारांनी भाग घेतला आनी कार्यक्रम प्रोग्राम म्हणल्यार तरेतरेचे आसात, जशें गावप, नाचप, रांदप, परंपरा, इतिहास.
Using modern means of technology and digital social media platforms, we at Global Goan Alliance Network strived to bring all of this across to you during this celebration. We hope you truly enjoyed it and that it brought home a few smiles and some wonderful moments of shared unity and entertainment across the world.